Unlock a cleaner, faster website by creating stunning accordion menus with pure code, no plugins needed. First, we'll structure our content using semantic HTML. Think about each accordion item as a distinct section. We'll use a main container to hold all our accordion panels. Inside this container, each individual accordion item will have two key parts first. A clickable header that the user will interact with. This header will often be a heading element like an H3 or H4. Next, we need the content panel itself. This is the area that will expand and collapse. It will contain the actual information we want to show or hide, like paragraphs of text or images. Now, let's move to the styling. We'll use CSS to make our accordion look good and, crucially, to control its collapse and expand behavior. We'll begin by styling the accordion container and individual items, giving them some padding and perhaps a border for visual separation. The real magic happens with the content panels. We'll initially set them to be hidden by default, perhaps using display none or max height 0, along with overflow hidden, to create a smooth animation effect when they expand. To trigger the expansion, we'll use a bit of JavaScript. We'll select our clickable headers and add an event listener to each one. When a header is clicked, we want to toggle a class on its corresponding content panel. This toggled class will be our signal in our CSS. We'll define styles for this specific class when it's present on a content panel. We'll override the hidden styles, setting the display to block or max height to a sufficient value, allowing the content to be visible. To enhance the user experience further, we can add transition effects to the content panels. This will create a smooth animation as they expand and collapse, making the interaction feel more polished and professional. And there you have it, a fully functional, custom-built accordion menu without relying on any external plugins, giving you full control and a lighter footprint for your website.